to this video. In this video, I will show you how to update your Google Chrome browser without any noise. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots, and the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to app, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on About right here. So go ahead and click on About on Google Chrome. And in a few seconds, it's automatically taken right here, and then starting to update your Chrome, like what you see right here. After a successful update complete, then you can restart your PC, and the update will take effect immediately. It's completely done. PC or Mac without that simple. Lastly, for you to check on the latest features in Chrome browser on PC, what you want to do is to simply come back to the top right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots right here. You want to do come down below right here and go ahead and click on app, and you want to make sure you click on what is new right here. So go ahead and click on what is new, and then it's going to open immediately right here, whereby you see all the new features in Chrome. Just like what you see right here. See what is new in Chrome. Then this is going to be a comparison of Chrome on PC and Chrome on iOS or Android for every Android user. So about some of the new release and browser. You can navigate by different tab right here. You can click on here. This allows you to move to the next like that. So then you have another new update right here. Then you go ahead and click on split. Then you have another update about split right here. How you can use them in Chrome browser for your best productivity. You can also click on next right here. This will take you to the next update as far as this is concerned. Scroll down right here, go ahead and click on next again, and go on and until you are able to see all the features as far as Chrome browser is concerned, and see how you can explore the Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use that, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.